What's up, guys? So today I got a new steering wheel cover for my Silverado. It's from East Detailing, and these guys are pretty good. I've been seeing them a lot on Instagram, so we're gonna install this today and hopefully it goes well. And we're gonna film some of the install today. I saw some other Silverados that have done the same thing and they actually look pretty good, so we'll see how it goes. All right, so inside the package, this is your steering wheel cover. And they have a lot of different color choices that you can choose from. I chose to go with yellow just because, I don't know, I think it'd be pretty cool, and I do plan to do my seat belts a yellow as well. So what I chose to go with was suede on top, and you can see this is the stripe in the middle. And then I got perforated leather on the sides. And then as well with the package, you get some, I believe it's some sewing needles. You got the thread right there, some tape that goes along the sides, and you got this cool little tool so you can get inside these edges here. So yeah, let's get started with it. All right, so these are the instructions. As you can see, it's step by step, front and back, and it looks like this is how you thread it. Kind of hard to see, but yeah, these are the instructions that's included with the kit. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm just basically trying to give it like a test fit so I can make sure everything's lined up perfectly and, kind of get an idea of where everything's going to go into place. So as you can see, all that stuff's going to go there. It should be pretty easy as long as you follow the steps and you do as it says on there with the double-sided tape. I think you should be alright. But as you can see, it's a good fit. You just got to be careful. Don't overstretch it when you're trying to do a test fit. If you do it, you don't want to rip anything. Just be careful with these edges here and stuff like that. But yeah, here we go. Alright guys, as you can see here, I just got the double-sided tape along the sides, front and back, just how it says in the instructions. I just kind of put some here. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it. Again, this is my first time doing this, but it does say not to put it on the edges. And I'm assuming that's because you're going to be stitching this, so you don't want this here sticking. So yeah, this is it so far. All right, so we got that on there like that. And so now it says adjust the position of the lever cover and wheel. So let me move this back where it's supposed to be. Okay. And you just want to make sure that you're lining up your stripe perfect, because you don't want to be looking at that and it's crooked the whole time. If you're anything like me, it's gonna bother you bad. So yeah, just make sure you line up your stripe and before you start pulling the double-sided tape off. That way you can make sure that you're getting everything right, and you don't want to have to redo this step because that double-sided tape is pretty strong. Okay. Again, I'm just double checking everything. Alright guys, so this is where we're at so far. So apparently you don't want to put all that tape all the way around. I did it just because I wanted to ensure that some of these edges were going to stick really good, but you're supposed to just put it like right here. There's certain positions you'll see in the instructions when you get them, but yeah, this is it so far. So right now we're going to start the stuffing process, which is sticking these edges into here and getting all of that going, and then we'll start the stitching process and I'll pick it back up there. Alright you guys, here's the finished product. So originally I wanted to film the whole stitching process, but between the cicadas outside and my neighbor cutting the grass, I didn't get to do that. But here it is, all done. You can see the stitching looks really good. Actually, it came out way better than I thought for my first time. Came out really good. You can see the yellow stitching, the yellow stripe. Just adds a way better look and feel to the steering wheel and the interior. Makes it look a whole lot better. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Alright, so here's the truck outside. I'm currently running 17s, they're fuels, Chem blocks. This is an off-brand tire right now, so I do plan on upgrading to Nitto's 35s. So I also installed these Baja designs. I believe they're the Squadron Pros. And to power that, I went with the aux beam switch panel, 4-gang. So there's that there. So I just ran it down the bottom and underneath the foot panel there, and it's just connected to the inside. Yeah, works really good. So with that, I'm gonna power some LED bars. I want to get two 32-inch LED bars, an amber one and a white one, top and bottom. But before I do that, I also want to get the Mishimoto transmission cooler, so I have to see how far back that goes before I put the LED bars in there. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I look forward to making more content for you guys. Thank you.